From the 1011 Now streaming studio, this is 1011's Morning Pulse.
Sponsored by Murray Roofing.
Good morning and happy Veterans Day. This is Craig Allison with your Morning Pulse for Monday, November 11th. Our first story is a national one that hits close to home. More dairy farm workers caught bird flu than the numbers reflected in official accounts, and that's according to a new study by the CDC. There have been 46 human cases in the U.S. this year, but the agency is expanding its recommendations for testing and treatment. Now, officials say all workers on farms with infected cows should be tested even if they don't have symptoms. Every infection gives the virus an opportunity to change and become more dangerous. Your second story happening today, Lincoln will honor veterans with two different events in the capital city. First up is the 26th Annual Veterans Walk of Recognition at 9:30. It will start at the southwest corner of Memorial Stadium, just north of Stadium Drive and T Street. The walk will end at the Veterans Memorial Garden in Antelope Park. And following that, there will be an 11 a.m. ceremony in the park honoring all veterans. Third story out of central Nebraska, construction on a new health center is underway in Grand Island with the goal of creating more accessible care for patients. CHI Health's $15 million Grand Island Family Health Center was originally announced in October of 2022, but impacts from the pandemic put it on hold. Now the company building it says they're excited to be part of something that will benefit the community. Your fourth story, troopers with the Nebraska State Patrol rescued an abducted child after a pursuit in central Nebraska. State Patrol says Columbus, Ohio police alerted them Saturday of 27-year-old suspect Diego Rivera Gonzalez, who was driving on I-80 near Overton with a 3-year-old that was inside the pickup. After a chase, the child was found safe in the back seat of that pickup. Investigators are working to reunify the 3-year-old with their mother in Ohio, and Gonzalez was arrested and booked in Custer County Jail. And wrapping things up with your fifth story, Lego enthusiasts showed off their impressive creations for the annual Brick Days event at Sandhills Global Event Center this weekend. The event was put on by Hobbytown USA, where owners have expanded the show from the back of their store over the past 10 years. Brick Days happens once a year in Lincoln in the fall and once in Omaha in the spring. Organizers say the Omaha event brings in builders from around the country, and it's scheduled for April 3rd through the 6th. That is your Veterans Day Morning Pulse, and we'll wrap things up with a look at your 7-day forecast.
You've been listening to 1011's Morning Pulse. Watch, listen, stream on the 1011 Now app, on YouTube, or wherever you get your podcasts.
Sponsored by Murray Roofing.